If leaving the EU wasn't complicated enough already, it just got a lot harder.
The result today is about all of us. It's not about me or my team. It's about our United Kingdom and all our futures.
The High Court says before triggering Article 50 and starting the process of leaving, the government must get Parliament's support. But is this just an attempt to frustrate the referendum result?
We have moved on. We are leaving. This is about how we leave. This is about process. We are a democratic, sovereign country. We can't have government casually throwing away people's rights. That's what this case was about.
This is a dramatic setback for the government, giving Parliament control over how we leave the EU and possibly even control over whether we do at all.
It's absolutely fundamental to today's judgment that Parliament is sovereign. Parliament can do what it likes. And it's quite clear that the referendum was not binding except politically. So yes, if this goes to Parliament, Parliament could decide not to follow the referendum.
But the government is appealing, saying Parliament already voted to let the people decide in that referendum.
This was a decision of the British people. That decision was taken after a 6-1 vote in the Commons to give the decision to the British people. So that's why we're appealing it. We're appealing it intending to win that appeal so that we can deliver the best deal for Britain.
But if that appeal doesn't work, get ready for a fight in Parliament.
What we are very worried about is that the hard right Brexiteer wing of the Conservative Party seems to have taken the Prime Minister for hostage. And we can't allow that wing of the Conservative Party to determine our negotiating position.
Well, those Brexiteers say it should be for the government alone to set that process rolling.
If Parliament gets between that and then says no, then they're again saying what the British people said. This is a constitutional crisis if that was allowed to happen. That cannot happen.
Bringing control back to Parliament was a big reason for some to vote leave, but giving it a say in just how we leave, well, that's proving to be a different matter.